What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. I told y'all I can't stay away too long anymore, so I am back with another video. So make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe.
My main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that.
Alright, so boom. We gonna first make sure that we're in the App Store and download Widget Smith and color widgets if you want it. You'll notice at the end if you want to use it or not. My best friend's texting me. Stop texting me, best friend. I am adding a video up. Editing. But anyway, once you got those apps downloaded, then the second thing you want to do is make a empty canvas. So y'all know how to move apps around. So I'm going to move one of my apps to another screen. That's what you need to do next. And then hit done. I don't know what the hell I was doing. Oh, I was just showing you how to do that. But anyway, that's the screen I'm going to be using, the yellow screen. So what I'm going to do is go to Widget Smith. Now, mind you, y'all screen will be empty if you never did this before. You won't have no widgets up here. It'll just be like one of each. One small, one medium, one large for examples. But I already been playing around with this enough. So I got a lot of things up there. So now I'm deciding which one I want to choose. I'm going to go with a medium one for this tutorial. And then you just click on the calendar that popped up. Click default widget. Then scroll down to photos. Photo. Then click selected photo. Choose photo. And then you're going to choose whatever you want to use. Boom. So, are you really happy? I just chose that one. And then I'm going to name it happy with a question mark. Just so I can remember which one it is. And hit save. Alright. So, next, I'm going to go to the screen that I want to add it to. Hold the screen down, not the apps, the screen. Hit the add in the left top corner. Scroll down to Widget Smith. I'm going to go to medium because that's what I want. Add widget. And then which one pops up is, whatever the phone decides. I don't want that one, so I'm going to click done. Hold that down, the actual widget, hold it down. Hit edit widget, then change the widget right there. And then you'll see which one pop up. I click happy question mark. Alright, so I'm going to show you again. I'm going to make a new canvas and move my messages over. And I'm going to go with a green theme. So now I'm just going to go to Safari and just look for like a green theme. So I'm just typing in green wallpaper. Well, green theme wallpaper. And then I'm going to images. And just, that's how you find it. Y'all know how to do that. Just find whatever you like or whatever. So I just decided to go with this plant. So I clicked it and then I hold the picture down and add to photos. Some people can save. I don't know how. It never pops up for me. So, yeah. So now I'm going to go back to Widget Smith and make another widget. This time I'm going to make it large. So click the same thing, default widget, scroll down to photos. And then select it photo, choose photo, click the picture. And then I'm going to name this one on the next screen. You're going to name it, I think plant green. Should have put green plant, but hey, whatever. Plant green, saved. It's only you can see that, so yeah. And then I'm going to go add it. Just a second, I'll be back. Alright, so just hold down the picture because that's not what I want. Edit widget, choose which widget, and I want plant green. Boom, there you go. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how I did the picture one right there up top. So color widgets is what I use for that one. And then you're going to just scroll down and choose one. And then edit widget. And then you can go down to add photo. And I'm just going to choose a photo of me, of course. And then you can change the fonts, the color, dark, light, however you want to do it. So when I changed it to dark, I did notice that my picture went away. You see that now. So I don't like that. So I'm changing it back to my picture. So I changed it back to my picture and I'm just showing y'all my screens, how I got it like color coordinated or whatever. and like little themes and things like that. And it's really simple, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Juice.
That bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet.